Get it, girl. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm going to show you guys my eyebrow tutorial. So first I'm going to start off with the eyebrow spoolie, and at the end it's like a concealer brush at the end of the spoolie brush. If you understand exactly what I'm saying, I'm just showing you guys exactly how it looks. So I'm going to just brush through my eyebrows. As you can see, I'm just going to brush both sides. Oh, hey. And now I'm going to show you guys my eyebrow pomade. This is in the color deep brown, I believe. Yeah, I'm checking it out to demonstrate, or I'm sorry, tell you guys. Dark brown, I believe the color is, by L'Oreal. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. I'm going to dab into my pomade and I'm going to start. Hey. So now I'm going to start with the top of my brow and I'm going to outline it almost towards the beginning, but middle, like almost hitting towards the middle, and like I'm just going to follow the outline of my brow. So I'm just going to drag that through, and then I'm going to do the same to the bottom, and I'm going to just allow the lines to connect and meet each other towards the end. And it shouldn't go too much down. I don't go all the way down on my eyebrow. I usually go like almost out, but hey, every day is a different, brow. I'm never going to get the perfect brow, and they're not supposed to be perfect. Sometimes your eyebrows don't ever look identical, and that's okay. They're not really supposed to look identical. So yeah, this is my routine, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm going to do the same to the other side. I'm going to outline the top towards the middle, almost towards the beginning, and I'm going to do it on the top and the bottom, and then I'm going to fill in. So outline the top, outline the bottom, and then I'm just filling in. It's pretty simple. You got to get the hang of it. Practice makes perfect. Yeah, and towards the beginning of my brow, after I fill it in, I usually take my concealer in, where I dip my pomade in, and I make realistic hair-like strokes on my brows towards the beginning of my brows. It's okay if it's not even. The concealer is going to fix any blemishes or anything that, is not straight or is out of place. So right now I'm just touching them up and filling them in, and as I fill them in, I'm just dragging the excess pomade on it. So I'm just dragging the excess pomade and dragging it towards the front. Now I'm showing you guys the NARS concealer. I don't know if it's upside down. Yeah, you guys see, I'm trying to show you guys. So hey, got it right. So yeah, now I'm reading it. It's in the color ginger. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm showing you guys the name of the concealer and the shade that I'm using. So I'm not trying to be perfect. As you can see, I'm kind of struggling trying to show you guys, but drop something. One moment. Yeah, I got it, and just cleaning it off, and now I'm going to start. So now what I'm doing is dipping my tube into my NARS concealer, and I'm going to dab it with my concealer brush. This is a different concealer brush than the eyebrow concealer brush that I was using to dip my pomade into. So now I'm just outlining the neatest line under the brow, as neat as I can, to make it more precise and clean up anything that is out of place. So as you can see, I'm taking my time to outline and make sure it's, neat enough to my perfection. So I don't know what's happening outside, but I ended up looking out there for some reason. So now I'm just dabbing it some more, and I'm going to, continue filling in on the top. And I'm not getting exactly close to my line of my eyebrow. I'm getting as close as possible, but not exactly close, only because I don't want to make a mistake on the first try. So I usually start a little bit higher than my brow, and then I work my way down and take my time outlining it the way I want to, in the shape of my brow. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And now I'm just dragging the concealer around my eyebrow. I'm trying to blend it into my skin and my lid of my eyelid as well, so that, everything blends in when I complete my foundation and my eyeshadow and makeup. So I'm doing the same to this brow. I'm just outlining it and cleaning up anything that's out of place, as you can see. And I'm just dragging the concealer down. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing at this point. So from there, I don't know exactly what I'm talking about here. I think I was listening to a song or talking with someone on the phone. I'm not sure what I was doing there, but yeah, so I'm just outlining the top of my other brow, as you can see here, and I'm just trying to make sure the line is as straight as possible. Yep, as straight as possible. There you go. See that? There you go, Carmen. See that? So yeah. And I'm just going to continue with that and make sure it looks precise. And I'm just dragging the concealer down, blending it into my skin so it doesn't look harsh or sharp and the concealer doesn't show. Now I'm just putting the concealer away. Pretty much done. Now I'm just going to take my spoolie and brush through my brow to smooth it out and clean it up and, blend all the pomade in and to make it blend. And now I'm just going to take my eyebrow spoolie brush and my concealer end. I'm going to outline my brow again to sharpen my lines. Not too much pomade, but just enough. And then I'm just going to drag the rest of the pomade from what I just dipped and blend it in. It's a process, guys. You really have to take your time with this. For beginners, it takes a little bit of time, especially, perfecting your lines. But remember, no one's perfect. Everyone, had to start from somewhere. So, get it to the best shape and as clean as possible as you can. And the more you work on it, the better it will be. So now I'm just taking my finger and blending out the concealer on my lid and on top of my brows so that it will not look as harsh. Make sure you really blend it in, guys. You do not want to look like checker signs or markers on top of your forehead. So make sure it's all blended in. And as you can see, that's my goal that I'm trying to achieve right here. So take your time. Practice when you have free days so you can really get it right. So when it is time to perfect it, it will look good, So now I'm just touching up some areas, making sure that it looks good to, my liking. brushing it through, blending it in. So I'm touching it up, just brushing through, blending it in, and boom, there you have it. I'm finished. Now I'm just going to go and touch up and finish my makeup and foundation. See you guys in a bit. Voila, here I am, guys. Ooh, get it. So here it is, my finishing product. I have my foundation and I blended it into my eyebrows. And yeah, let me know if you guys will like a tutorial on my foundation. I would love to show you my foundation tutorial. So there you have it. Ooh, ah. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and see you guys soon.